Kaiser is a group instructor and personal trainer at the Kroc Center. She knows the importance of good nutrition.
Nutrition fuels your mood, how much you're able to do, how well you sleep.
Plus,
if you're healthy, you're able to help out more people and you feel good while you're doing it.
That is why the Veggie Wedgie caught her eye. She hopes it's as convenient as it claims and will make creating healthy snacks fun.
Love the convenience of it. It's quick, and then I can just prepare the meal and be on to the next thing.
It has stainless steel blades and is dishwasher safe.
It definitely doesn't feel like it's flimsy or anything like that.
First up on our chopping block, zucchini. Kristen prepped the zucchini by trimming each end.
You want to be very sure not to cut off too much. We don't want to waste any zucchini.
Next, she cut the zucchini in half and fed it into the Veggie Wedgie cylinder. Then she placed the top piece on the zucchini and pressed down.
So my little fingertips are trying to hold on, but it cut good. Look at that. Can I eat one?
Perfect zucchini wedges in seconds.
Yes, Lord. Okay.
Next up, a hard carrot. Kristen prepped the ends, cut it in half, and placed the carrot into the cylinder.
Oh, there it is. Come on. Woo!
Took a little extra pressure to push through, but
I have a much cleaner cut than what I would have had if I would have done this with a knife.
But what about a soft tomato?
First and foremost, like always,
Christian sliced the ends off, placed the whole small tomato into the cylinder, placed the top on, and pushed it down.
Woo! That look good.
Tomato wedges in seconds.
It's easy and absolutely definitely convenient. I mean, it's just one push. It's one move. I mean, you can't mess it up.
Veggie Wedgie, you passed the does it work test.
The Nut Chopper, another innovative kitchen product from Progressive. Now, this may look like the nut chopper you grew up with, but in fact there are some really nice features in this simple machine. Lots of recipes call for chopped nuts, and Progressive's Nut Chopper can handle them all. Walnuts, pecans, and even harder nuts like almonds or hazelnuts. However, I would stay away from coconuts. The upper chamber holds 1 cup of nuts, and the removable lower chamber has measurement marks all the way up to 1 1/3 cups. You'll always chop the right amount. So, how does one transform whole nuts into chopped nuts? Place your nut of choice into the upper chamber and turn the handle. Clockwise for coarse, and counterclockwise for fine grind. And the ambidextrous handle works for righties and lefties. Just read the writing on the upper chamber and you'll figure out which direction to turn the handle. The non-skid base helps to stabilize the chopper while grinding, and placing your hand on the soft grip lid also helps to hold the nut chopper in place. Do you need an even finer grind? Just flip the nut chopper upside down and grind the already chopped nuts back into the upper chamber. Repeat as necessary. To clean the nut chopper, unscrew the bottom from the top and remove the lid for the best results before you place it in the dishwasher. Check out the Nut Chopper and other innovative products from Progressive.
besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui, 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 rumba. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Hay music, hay flows. Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui, 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 taqui.